How to build, manage, and use manual actions. Manual actions are tasks added to your system in the form of a queue. They become available within a user's account through a campaign and are marked complete once the user manually completes a task. To create and manage manual actions, let's follow these steps. Step 1. Navigate to campaigns. Step 2 is to either create a new campaign or edit an existing campaign. If you're creating a brand new campaign, you'll need to type in a campaign name and choose the folder where the campaign will be added from the dropdown. If you're editing an existing campaign, you can go to the campaign you'd like to edit and click into the campaign to make your edits. The next step is to set up the campaign configuration. This is the section where you can essentially determine the settings for the particular campaign. You can determine the window of when the campaign will run, you can assign users to the campaign, you can set a next campaign, you can choose a from address for the from email address, you can set a lead value, you can assign tags, you can toggle on or off the multiple allowed feature, which can allow contacts to be in the campaign more than one time. You can choose stop on response. This will stop all subsequent events in case a lead responds to the campaign. And you can also set an event start date. Once you set up all these configuration aspects, you can save to confirm your changes. The next step will be adding an event to the campaign. Click on the plus add event icon. Here you can add a manual SMS or a manual call for the sake of this tutorial. We're going to start with a manual SMS. Type in the name for the SMS, choose a template if needed, and then you can go ahead and use some custom values if you'd like. You can also use trigger links. In the text box, you can type out the SMS that you'd like to send out. On the right-hand side, you will see a preview of your message. You can toggle on the custom time if you'd like the SMS to be sent out at a specific day and time. You can attach a file, and you can also add a file through a URL link. You can test your message by entering a number and sending a test, maybe utilizing your own contact information. Click Save once you've set up the desired manual SMS. Then to set up a manual call, you'll follow a similar process. You'll add the manual call event as a task, but there are a few less options for customization since it's a call versus a message. The manual call adds the task for the selected user after the user is added into the campaign. And then of course the task is marked completed once the task is executed. So now once you've set up your manual action campaign, make sure to save any changes and switch it from draft to published mode in order for it to run. Now this is how you build and manage your manual actions. But how do you use the manual actions? Well, the next step is to access and complete the tasks. So once contacts are assigned to the campaign with the manual SMS or call events, tasks will be generated and formed into a queue that you can access within the system. Navigate to Contacts, Manual Actions, and here you will see a list of your pending tasks and actions. They can be sorted by campaign or assignee if you have multiple users. And each task can be executed and then marked as complete. That's all for now. Thanks.